Let's see how to create AI lead generation chatbot for a law firm using our free template right here. So here I'm in a demo account over here. If you head over to flows over here, so let me go to the flows section, and here you can find the all free templates right here. So here you have a template named as AI chatbot lead generation plus customer support. So let me actually duplicate this particular template right here and create a chatbot for a law firm with lead generation capabilities. And also you can also send this lead information to a Google Sheet like this. So let's do this over here. So let me first rename this particular flow name as this particular law firm right here. So here let me rename this one as Smith and Associates law firm. So let me rename this one as Smith and law firm AI bot. Click continue over here. All right, so here we have replaced this particular flow right here. So let me click on open this particular flow right here, and here you have to simply update your business information with this particular law firm. So here in our free template we have some information about this Smile Center for Kids, but we want to simply duplicate this information with this particular company or law firm right here. So let me copy that information and let me say replace this particular information and paste it with the information related to law firm. Alright, here I have just copy paste that information about that law firm. So first of all, let me click continue and click publish over here. And in terms of a lead generation, so here we are using an AI trigger called as sign up for the newsletter. And if you check the prompt right here, this particular sign up for the newsletter will be triggered when a particular customer requests for some discounts or VIP offers, or if they need more news updates or something like that. But in the case of law firm, we can actually request customer details about, still we can request customer details such as name, email, phone number, and also we can actually ask them about what sort of legal service they need, or for example type of legal service they need. For example, they actually provide this sort of a legal assistant as well, and we can actually send those details to this particular Google Sheet as well. So let me actually create Google Sheet columns first right here, user ID, and let's say full name, let's say email address, let's add phone number, and also we can add type of legal service they need. All right, so we can collect these details from the customer using the AI chatbot. So for that you have to actually modify this particular sign up for the newsletter AI trigger right here. So here if you go to settings over here, in settings, integrations, if you choose OpenAI ChatGPT, here you can actually control any sort of AI triggers. So let me click on manage over here, and here you can find all the AI triggers including sign up for the newsletter right here. So what you can do is you can actually collect a particular so let me show how this particular sign up for the newsletter looks like. So here we are collecting customer name, customer email, phone number, and that's it. So now we want to actually collect all these details again, including the type of legal service as well. So what you can do here is that you can actually create a custom field to save the type of legal service. So first of all, let me create the custom field. Go to the flow section over here, choose custom fields, and create a new custom field. Name this custom field as type of. So let me name this one as type of legal service. Click continue. All right, I have created a custom field type of legal service. So now let me refresh the AI triggers page over here, and we can simply duplicate this existing sign up for the newsletter. And let me duplicate this one, and let me change this one as request a legal service, and here you can say allows user to request a legal service, and here we can still collect name, email, phone number, and we can add the type of legal service they want. And here let me choose type of legal service. And here, once they provide all these three details, we can send a confirmation message saying, thanks for your details, one of our customer support agent will contact you soon. So we can simply send this message, thanks for your. So once they provide all these details, we can send this message, thanks for your details, one of our customer support agent will contact you soon, and click continue. So here we have created a trigger, request a legal service. So now if I go back to this particular flow right here, so let me refresh this particular flow so that whatever the triggers we have created will be loaded on this page as well. So here let me open OpenAI right here, and here you can find the option to request a legal service. So here, request a legal service. All right, so this is the particular trigger right here, and here we can remove the sign up for the newsletter. We don't need this one. And here you also need to edit this particular prompt as well. So here we have to trigger this particular trigger right here, and here if a customer shows interest, let me delete this one, interest in any of the legal services or wants to book an appointment, then trigger request a legal service trigger, and ensure customer provides their full name, email, and here we want to collect the type of legal service as well, and phone number to complete to, let's say, to request a legal service. Also trigger request a legal service when updating any of these details. Don't mention anything about triggering these functions in the response. Simple as that. And let's click continue, and let me publish this once again. And here head over to settings over here in the general default reply, choose this one as the default reply. Simple as that, and click save. All right, so now we have created an AI chatbot with lead generation capabilities to collect a particular customer's name, email, phone number, and the type of legal service. So now if you want to send this information to this particular Google Sheet, we can do that as well. So let's name the particular Google Sheet as Smith and Associates Law Firm. All right, so now we want to go to the integrations over here, Google Sheet. Make sure you connect your Google account right here, and we want to click on manage over here and add your Google Sheet as well. So here let's click on add. The name of the Google Sheet is this one, and the link for the Google Sheet is this one. Click continue. All right, so here we have added this particular Google Sheet right here, and here you can add any sort of data to this Google Sheet using the auto marketing right here, and here choose triggers and actions. And let's create a new trigger, name this one as similar to this particular. So let me create a new trigger and simply name this one as the law firm. And here whenever a particular value changed, for example email value changed, or let's say phone changed, or let's say a new custom field of the legal service changed, so any of these value changed, we want to update the Google Sheet. Choose Google Sheets. You can use the update row right here and choose Smith Associates Law Firm right here, and choose sheet 1, and user ID is, let's choose the user ID, and here you can update all these details right here. User ID, full name, email, phone number, and choose type of legal service. Save it and click save. Make sure you activate this trigger as well, so whenever a particular custom provide any sort of details, that will be sent to this particular Google Sheet right here. All right, so now we can quickly test how this actually works. So this can simply works on any of these connected channels right here, including your website. So let's test this on the Instagram first and see what happens. So here we have this business information right here, and let me share my Instagram over here and show you how this actually works. So here I'm in my mobile, so let me send a message right here, hi, and see how this actually respond to us over here. So it says, hello, how can I assist you with your legal needs? So let me ask a question over here. So let me ask this question and see how this actually respond to us. So they charge 300 per hour, and it says our business law services are billed hourly rates starting at 300 per hour. Please contact us for a personal cost based on the specific of your use cases. So here the reason we received this message, please contact us for a personalized quote based on the specific of your use case, because we have this text right here. So let me remove this one, I don't like it. So click continue, let me publish this one, let me share my phone screen, and let me send the same questions once again. So let me copy and let me send this same question right here and see what happens. So let's see if we receive a different response right here. So now it says our business law services starts at 300 per hour. Please let us know if you need a personalized code or further assistance. Simple as that. So now let me ask another question. Where are you located? So here I'm asking for the address. So the address is already provided there, and this is the address. All right. So let me ask another question right here. What type of legal services do you provide? So let me ask this question and see what sort of response we actually get over here. We provide services, personal injury law, family law, business law, criminal defense, and estate planning. If you need assistance with any of these areas, please let us know. Yes, I need assistance with estate planning. So let me send this message and see what happens over here. You should actually request customer details. So it says, thank you for your interest in our estate planning services. Please provide your email and phone number so we can assist you further. So here the customer name is already captured from the Instagram right there. So that's why it simply asks only for the email and phone number. So 917-243-5699. So here I provide only my phone number. Let's see what happens. And now it simply says, please provide your email address so we can proceed with your request for the email estate planning. So let me provide, sure. So let me provide some random email address right here and see what happens over here. And send it. So I provide the email address right here, and let's see what happens over here. And it says, thank you for providing your details. One of our customer support agents will contact you soon to assist you with your estate planning needs. So now if I go to the Google Sheet over here, we should see that particular information right here. So as you see, we have received all the information, the name, email, phone number, and the type of service is actually estate planning. And if I go to the inbox, so let me open the inbox again in a new tab, and we can track all the conversation and all the details customer have provided is in the inbox. The email, phone number, and the type of legal service they requested is right here. And you can even, a customer can easily update their details as well. So let me say, can you change my email to test122@gmail.com. So let me send this message. Can you change the email to test122@gmail.com? Let's see how this actually respond to us. It says your email has been updated to test122. One for customers agents will contact you soon. Something like that. So if I refresh, so let me refresh right here, and as you see, the email is updated right here. So likewise, we should see the updated email in the Google Sheet as well. As you see, it's updated as well. So that's how you can easily create an AI chatbot for a law firm. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.